my continuous permanent residency, continuous residence, and physical presence.
They look back from the date you applied. All right. So they look now. Did you get your green card based on marriage?
Diversity.
Diversity. Okay. So you have to wait 5 years. So the look back period is 5 years. All right. So you left in 2009.
No, I entered in 2009.
And
left. I stayed there for a month.
Okay, and left. And you were out for 11 months and came back in 2010? Okay. 2010, you probably will not be able to file in 2015.
In 2010, I got a reentry permit.
Right.
And I was out for 2 years, then come back again 2012, July.
Ah, for another 2 years. Okay. 2016, sir. The reentry.
So the
reentry
permanent residence starts with the 2012?
Because you need to show, after you've gotten the green card for 5 years, you can apply. That doesn't mean you satisfy the time requirements. All right. So you have to look at out of the past 5 years. In fact, after 2016, after the past 5 years, you have to show that you've been here for 30 months, right? For at least 30 months before you can file. But the re-entry permit just allows you to come back in and still keep your green card. That interrupted the continuity. So you can have your green card, but you're going to have to wait until you get your citizenship before you can apply for citizenship.
So how much do I wait?
I would wait. 30 months is 2.5 years. So a minimum of 2.5 years from when you came in. But
I think they count 1 year of the
they may or they may not. The law is changing, and under some circumstances, you may have to wait only a year before you can file. I would have to look at it in more detail to be able to give you a solid answer. I don't want to mislead you today. You certainly have to wait at least 30 months. You may have to wait a little bit more or a little bit less. I'd have to review it to give you a solid answer to that. But the question becomes is, what's the continuity? What's the break? How is immigration?
Yeah, what's the permanent residence? What's the continuous residence?
Correct.
What's the physical?
How is USCIS gonna interpret that stay? Because let's say, for purpose of discussion, that you were working for a U.S. government, well, for a U.S. organization, right? And they sent you abroad. You were working for that company. You were still paying taxes in the U.S. You were getting paid in the U.S. One might argue that your residence was still here. It's an argument. I'm not saying that would be the determinative answer. But sometimes, some issues are black and white, some issues are gray. And it's a matter of what's your risk tolerance. Are you willing to take a shot and risk losing your $680 because you want to make an argument you don't want to wait? Normally, I caution people to wait. Wait another 6 months. Wait another year. Don't risk losing the $700 plus whatever fees and time and aggravation. Nothing worse than showing up at the interview, passing the exam, thinking you're all set, and tell you, sorry, oops, I just realized.